guys, so we got this 2008 Nissan Titan. It won't start. Sometimes you can hear the grinding noise, like it wants to, but it won't. I mean, it really don't start. So I'm gonna share this tip, so you probably save some time and money, just to make sure. So I'm thinking the starter is bad just because the way that it sounds. So what I'm gonna do is hold on, I'm gonna test it. But you're gonna need alligator clips, and you're gonna need some piece of wire. I'm gonna use the alligator clips and some piece of wire to make this test. So this one, the alligator clips that I have is too short, so I'm gonna use another one. I'm gonna use the jumper cables. Let me set it up. Let me get the zoom up. Yeah. Okay, so let me get these things ready. Okay, I got the wires right there on the battery. The other one I got on the plastic for now. So let me get on the top of this truck. So okay, straight down here, you see what the AC and the plastic ends like right here on the driver's side. So you go through in here and you will find the signal wire for the starter, which is it's gonna be on that bracket right there. Let me get it zoom in. Let me get zoom in on that one. It's gonna be on this one right here. See, I already got it off. Just unplug the connector. This wire, it's white with the red line on top of it. White red. So unplug it and get the downside, which is this one right here, and I got my alligator clip just right on top of it, if you see right there. And then what you got it, that's it with the alligator clip, and I got the other end over here. Let me get room for it. Okay, so I got the other end over here. Hold on, let me move my hand out of the way. So I got this end right here. So what I'm gonna do is hold on, let me get down. Okay, so I'm gonna use this end of the hold on, this thing's stuck right here. Okay, so I'm gonna use this end of the jumper. I'm gonna use it right here, and I'm gonna try to send the power straight to the starter and see what it does. You're gonna hear it. You hear that click, click? See, it's spinning, but you can hear it just keep moving, but it won't engage in the flywheel. So this can be two cases. It can be two different things. It can be the starter, or it can be the flywheel broke. But I believe that it's gonna be the starter. The gear is not getting out to engage with the flywheel. But this is one of the ways that you can test your starter. Just the easy way, before you replace the starter, because on this ones we have to remove the intake to get the starter out. So I hope that little tip helps and save you time. Just make sure you do this way, and then make sure you don't touch any ground sign. Any metal with this positive wire when you hook it to the battery, because if not, you're gonna mess up something else. So yeah, I hope that tip help, guys, and just leave a comment. Any question, just post it right there. All right, see you. Peace.